Guys, just what a beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? A beautiful day down in Grenada. As you can see outside, it's kinda want to rain to fall, but I'm gonna do this for you guys. I'm gonna go vlog down in the river while I day in the water, swimming that kind of thing for a few while, and then I'll come up. Yeah, let's get to the video. We are going down to Smithy. I guess I could have had somebody with me, but I guess everybody gone down to school. We can see rain up there. You can see my dog come with me. The rain is kind of fall drizzling. So damn it. The rain is falling. Damn it. Damn it. Ah. Yeah. Nah, every day I do. Whiskey. Ja? Nah. Shit. No. Come back. As you can see, we reached that far down in the garden. The rain come now. I'll find we're gonna make it in the river today. Next time. You know, so it's very hot. But still I'm gonna post that video showing you guys where the road is to go down Smithy. Just gotta follow the road to go down Smithy. Now I gotta stay here for the rain to ease up to go in the house up there. Yeah. Can I leak there? Can't go in the river for my. Yeah, I could go in the river for myself, but with this rain, never trust. No trust, no love. Yeah, I like. Yeah, no love, no trust, no trust, no love. Yeah, nutmeg is kind of scarce right now. See, the nutmeg kind of scarce right now. Where you gonna find nutmeg? The rain is easing up, but tell the lady right there, don't go in the river because this rain. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna wrap up the video right there. So I'm gonna see you on next time with me and my friends, and them is coming on Smithy, bathing and having fun and thing, yeah. Then when sun shining hot on a maybe on a Saturday, yeah. And then expect for the rain to come down after that hot sun this morning, today. And then recognize the rain could have fall, but there it is. The rain is coming. Wait, you supposed to have a my bunny somewhere around here? Yes. So I have a my bunny somewhere around here. I'll not get through it down. Or let bunny down, but as you can see, where I was, you can see a bird nest right there. It's cannot dirty, so don't mind about this. Cause here it's very muddy when rain fall. Gonna put you there. But folks, I'm very sorry we can't go in the river because what Lee said. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. But as I was saying, sorry folks, we can't go in the river because of the weather. Yeah. And not the iPhone I have. If the iPhone I have, I could have go straight on because my iPhone is a waterproof. Yeah, I could have go straight on our vlog and thing, but sorry guys, we're gonna go there next time, so but I'm gonna still post a video to show you guys how far I reach. Yeah, all here is the garden. Yeah, balcony, balcony tree, Bali jet tree. I can name all of them. But peace be with you and with your spirit. Always stay in school. Never give up in life. This in your head. Always stay in school. No matter what, kids always stay in school. I don't want to be like them people and them going and sitting in the rum shop and drinking and thing, but always stay in school. Don't give up in life. That's what I'm gonna tell you right now. So make sure you subscribe, comment down below what should I do next, and hit that like. I just want to get 200 likes. Yeah. Peace.